Example problem is 12 x to the negative third y to the sixth over 16 x squared y to the negative eighth, and then all of this is going to be to the second power. Step 1 is to start with the 12 over 16. The highest number that goes into both of those is going to be 4, so we have a 3 there and a 4 here. At the least, you'll have a 3 over 4 in your answer. This x to the negative third must go to the bottom and become x to the positive third. You have a y to the sixth on top. This must go up with it and become y to the eighth. Don't forget, you still have to square everything. Simplify inside the parentheses, 3 over 4. On the bottom, you have x to the fifth power. And then on the top, y to the 14th. But you still have to square everything. That would give you 9y to the 28th over 16x to the 10th. Practice problem, bring this up. 20x to the negative 2, y to the negative 3 over 24x to the negative 5, y to the negative 7th. All of that to the second power. The solution for the practice problem, 20 over 24 cancels to 5 over 6. So at the very least, you'll have a 5 over 6. You have a negative exponent on the top and the bottom for the x's, so they must trade places, become positive exponents. And the same thing for the y's. Trade places, become positive exponents. And of course, keep your square outside. Simplify the variables. This is going to be x to the fifth over x squared. That's x to the third on top. And then y to the seventh over y to the third. That would be y to the fourth on top. But you still have to square everything. So it's 25 x to the sixth, y to the eighth over 36. Practice problem. 18 x to the fourth, y to the negative third over 12 x to the negative 10th, y to the negative 1. All of this is going to be to the third power. Solution for the practice. 6 goes into 18 3 times, into 12 twice. So you start off with a 3 over 2. The x to the fourth does not move. It is positive, a positive exponent. But this has a negative exponent. It must go to the top. On the top there, you have a y to the negative third that goes to the bottom. And then the y to the negative 1 goes to the top, just becomes y. Of course, everything is still cubed, but now we have to simplify. X to the fourth times x to the 10th is x to the 14th. And we have a y over y third. The largest exponent is on the bottom, so it's y to the second. Everything is still to the third power. So now we have 27 x to the 42nd power over 8 y to the 6th.